How to send Bitcoin on Edge wallet. So if you want to send Bitcoin on Edge wallet to any of the other wallet or exchanges, it is very simple. First of all, launch the Edge wallet app and then make sure that you sign in to your wallet or account. Once you sign in, by default, this is the interface that you will be able to see. So let's say that you want to send Bitcoin. What you have to do is just tap on this option at the top that says send and then tap on it. Now here you can send it to a bank or to basically to Edge from bank or cash, but what we will do is we want to select to another wallet. Now if you want to send to someone who already has an Edge account, so you can select to Edge and simply enter their options. But if you want to send it to someone to another exchange, tap on send to another wallet, select the crypto that you wish to send. After that, you can simply agree to the terms, confirm and finish, and then once done, you will be able to simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that you have and you will be able to send it. That's all it takes for you to send Bitcoin on Edge. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.